सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Hello friends, I'm your host and host Asa and welcome to your favorite show WhatsApp TV. 26 January, where India celebrates its Republic Day. Wherever you see, people are preparing for this day. Everyone is getting for this day because this day is special for every Indian. Let's ask our stars what do they know about it. Let's ask them why do we celebrate Republic Day and how many years have we completed this year.
26th Jan को हमने Constitution बनाया था and we got it active on that day. So I guess that's why we celebrate 26. 63 years.
क्योंकि उस दिन Constitution फॉर्म हुआ था. 63 years. Yeah, 63 years.
26 Jan Republic Day इसलिए बनाया जाता है क्योंकि हमारा Constitution फॉर्म हुआ था.
63 years. 63 years? All are very happy Republic Day, and the best part is that we get an off. It's an off that day, but I hope I am also not shooting. I get an off, and I might just celebrate it in the best possible way.
63 years.
63. Constitution, there's a celebration of the Constitution because our Constitution was formed on 26th Jan 1947.
Let's see which celeb have you selected this week to give your love in the form of gift and a card.
Hello, gift time again. I'm so happy. Every time I get so happy to open gifts. जो भी हो, but I just get very happy जब मेरे को कोई gift मिलती है तो आइए देखते हैं. मुझे आज help चाहिए होगी because ये डब्बा निकलेगा नहीं वाला. See guys, it's really pretty. Thank you. Hi Drashti, Rupali here. Happy birthday. May all your wishes come true. Thank you. You get more success than you're getting now. Just love you for coming in our lives both as Dr. Muskan and Geet and Madhubala. I started seeing DMG only after your entry. I really loved the way you used to laugh in the show. Thank you so much. Rupali, this is very sweet. This is from Rossini and this is from France. Hi, my name is Tatjana. I'm a German and a huge fan of yours. I admire the person in you, Drashti. Stay the way you are. You are an excellent actress. I love your acting. Keep up the great work. Missing you as Keith because I love the serial. But I'm looking forward to your comeback. Don't keep us waiting too long. Thank you so much, Tatjana. Tatjana. I don't know how do you pronounce it, but that's really sweet that you're sending it to me. And thank you for this. A lot of old memories with this. Thank you. Muskan Sam. Hi Muskan. Today only I spoke to you. That's really beautiful, Muskan. Thank you so much. Hi, मेरी तीन शादियों के फोटो डाल दिए. And this CD is Drashti Dhami. I don't know क्या है. Drashti की मुस्कान. How sweet. I'll पक्का see what it is and I'll tell you. Thank you. And there's a letter, but I'm sure this will be a personal letter, so I will not be able to read it. Thank you so much. I'll wear it next time in my interview. This is from L. Diaz. This is from Sri Lanka. Wow. Okay, this is a CD. So I'll have to see it later and I'll tell you. Thank you. Drashti, the best queen. Thank you. I like that tag. Hi, Habi. You are an amazing actor in the world. I wish you all the luck with all my heart. You deserve the best. You're the queen of the world. How sweet. Thank you. But again, there is no name. One thing I'll guess for sure, there'll be candles in this. Okay? I don't know why. I get a feeling. Wow. Asma Abdullah. And she's from UAE. Thank you. I've never heard of you before, है ना? Like मुस्कान तो भी सुना हुआ है, ये L Diaz भी सुना है, but thank you and hi Asma. Let's see what you have. Happy birthday. Thank you. Hi Drashti, how are you? How is your family? And you're the best yourself. Treat yourself well. Take care of you. You are the queen. Wish you all the success with my heart. You're the best. You are amazing, wonderful. Oh. And it had lights also. Wait, I'll try this. Best wishes again. Hello Didi, how are you? Star, send you 5. Have sent 5 squares. Have 4 ends, rectangles and 3 ends. Lines you have in life. Oh, okay, lines with friendship like a ball. Klamik. Thank you Klamik. Thank you Asma. Let's see और कितने नाम आते हैं ये group में से. And thank you guys again. I keep on telling you, don't send me expensive gifts, man. This is not cool. Send cards. I love cards. I'll be very happy with cards. हाँ भी वो दूसरी बात है, but I don't accept it. I've told before also, a couple of my fans who had come, I had stopped accepting their gifts when they came on set. So please, I just want you to come and meet me. That'll be more than enough. Oh, are you serious? Oh my god. Oh my god. See? Drashti Dhami, pretty, the most beautiful, amazing queen, princess in the world, wonderful, beautiful. Thank you. I love it. I love it. And this is, you know what? I'm going to properly clip it and keep it here. Thank you. Wow. Those are like lipstick shades. So many. And I love this one. And I love this one. And I'll use it, I promise. That is so cute. Thank you. Oh, shades. Cool. Thank you. Really nice and अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना मेरे पे. पहनूंगी, promise. That is so cute. And you know what this is, right? This is to keep earrings and वो rings रखते हैं ना, rings डालने के लिए. This is so cute. Thank you. You actually make me sound like a princess by sending me these things. Wow, that's nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. See, I told you. Candles. Candles have to be there. They always send me candles. Thank you. Wow. Nice. Thank you. Wow. That's really nice. It's cute, na? So cute. Thank you. Actually, very, very cute. See? That's like hot. Hana? Thank you. Yes, I will see you for sure. When you're visiting, just let WhatsApp people, India forums know and they'll get you to me and we'll meet for sure. 100%. Thank you. अभी मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशंस और बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. अभी प्लीज गाइज, अभी आप लोग गिफ्ट मत भेजना. अभी मैं अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स से गिफ्ट मांगूंगी. अभी देखो फैंस ने दीदी आप लोग भी दे दो. तो बस आई एम गोना chew their brains and see to it that I get a gift. I just need all your love and wishes and I love you. Thank you guys. It means a lot to me that आप every year ये भेजते हैं and you bring the most amazing smile on my face. And usually I always get these gifts before my birthday. Hamesha. Even last year when you guys gave it to me, it was before my birthday. So it just feels very loved and I love it too. Thank you so much.
I still remember celebrating Republic Day in my school. What fond memories. Your stars also shared their memories of celebrating Republic Day in their school. Let's have a look.
स्कूल की मेमोरीज हमारी है कि हम जैसे स्कूल में पहुंचते थे तो प्रेयर होता था, उसके बाद फिर वो फ्लैग लेकर लगाते थे और देन वी यूज्ड टू सेलिब्रेट दैट डे ऑब्वियसली इन आवर स्कूल. तो यही सेलिब्रेशन, यही मेमोरीज है हमारे स्कूल की. तो
एक दिन पहले हम सारे रात को बैठ के यूनिफॉर्म्स आयरन करते थे खुद से. आई यूज टू आयरन माई ओन क्लोथ्स और आई यूज टू मेक श्योर कि मेरे शूज़ जो वाइट कलर की शूज़ है वो एकदम परफेक्ट हो. और ऐसा फ्लैग लहराते वो पेपर फ्लैग लेके हम लोग लहराते स्कूल जाते थे. वहाँ पे मार्च पास होता था. वी यूज्ड टू सिंग नेशनल एंथम एंड ऑल. माय सिस्टर शी वाज इन द लाइक बैंड में थी. शी यूज्ड टू प्ले फ्लूट. सो उनका पूरा एक ये चलता था, लाइक स्पीच वगैरह चलते थे, फिर बैंड चलता था, फिर मार्च पास होती थी, फिर लाइक हमारी स्कूल में स्वीट्स बांटे जाते थे. एंड दैट इज़ हाउ वी यूज्ड टू एंड आवर डे. एंड हाफ डे मिलता था, हाफ डे यार घर जाके मस्ती मजाक. एंड दैट्स इट. आई यूज्ड टू लव दैट.
26 जैन को तो मोस्टली बैंक हॉलीडे रहती थी तो स्कूल बंद रहती थी, तो एंजॉय करती थी मैं.
स्कूल पे तो रिपब्लिक डे पे छुट्टी भी मिलती थी, लेकिन सुबह 1 घंटे के लिए हमें स्कूल भी जाना पड़ता था. पर उस टाइम पे स्कूल जाने में मज़ा इसलिए आता था क्योंकि हमें चॉकलेट मिलती थी रिपब्लिक डे के दिन, और हमें पेन मिलता था या फिर पेंसिल रबर स्केल मिलता था. तो वो जो चीज़ें थी ना, वो मतलब बड़ी मज़ा आती थी लेने में. तो मैं उसके एक्साइटमेंट में मैं हर रिपब्लिक डे और हर इंडिपेंडेंस डे के दिन स्कूल पहुंच जाती थी.
रिपब्लिक डे के दिन हम वी यूज्ड टू हैव डिफरेंट एक्ट्स. हम तो पहले असेंबली में मिलते थे, हाफ डे होता था या फिर छुट्टी होती थी. सबको छोटे छोटे चॉकलेट के पैकेट्स दिए जाते थे टू सेलिब्रेट. एंड वी यूज्ड टू हैव एवरी क्लास यूज्ड टू परफॉर्म ऑन डिफरेंट नेशनल सॉन्ग्स लाइक वंदे मातरम या फिर जन गण मन. तो वही सब पे हम गा के कॉम्पिटिशन्स हुआ करती थी.
That's all we have for today's episode. I hope you all must have liked and enjoyed our show. So don't forget to send us your comments and suggestions at WhatsApp TV at india-forums.com. We'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Happy Republic Day and Jai Hind.
आप सबको रिपब्लिक डे की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Wish you a very, 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 very happy Republic Day, and I hope all of you go and hoist the flag and at least sing a national anthem. And Jai Hind.
I want to wish all the viewers of India Forums a very happy Republic Day to everyone.
हमारे सारे इंडिया फोरम्स के दर्शकों को अदा खान की ओर से अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे.
मेरी ओर से सारे व्यूवर्स को हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे.